America's favorite SUV just hit the refresh button and, trust us, it's not holding back. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 has been completely reimagined, from its bold new exterior to a fully electrified powertrain lineup. And it's not just about looks, it's smarter, stronger, and more stylish than ever. Forget everything you thought you knew about the Toyota RAV4, because this isn't just an update. This is a complete reinvention. Toyota's bestseller is now exclusively hybrid powered. That there's a performance version with 320 horsepower? That they've created a muscle SUV with Gazoo racing DNA? Whether you're chasing adventure or just grabbing oat milk at Trader Joe's, this RAV4 is dressed to impress. Let's break down everything you need to know about the 6th generation of this iconic compact SUV. Purpose of reinvention. Gone are the days of the plain old gas-only RAV4. For 2026, Toyota has made the switch. Every trim is now either a hybrid or a plug-in hybrid. This electrified transformation isn't just a nod to the future, it's Toyota doubling down on efficiency without compromising utility. And with a new, boxier stance and rugged detailing, the RAV4 now blends off-road credibility with urban cool. Choose from 3 tailored trims: core, sleek, and modern, with body-colored accents and Camry-inspired lines. Sport, bold, and aggressive, with blacked-out features, a massive rear wing, and unmistakable flair. Rugged. Think trail-ready toughness, chunky tires, roof racks, tow hooks, all baked into the new Woodland Edition, which replaces the TRD off-road model. Each lineup speaks to a different lifestyle, and Toyota made sure they're all speaking loud and clear. But here's the million-dollar question. Can Toyota really satisfy 3 completely different customer types with one platform? And more importantly, can a hybrid-only lineup deliver the power and performance that American drivers demand? The answer might surprise you. How Toyota engineers have pulled off what might be the most ambitious transformation in the RAV4's 30-year history. Clever inside and out. Toyota has clearly listened to what drivers need. The 2-tier center console is smartly redesigned to juggle tech and practicality. On the top level, a wireless charging pad comfortably fits to smartphones side by side, while the bottom shelf is perfect for the stuff you don't want: visible wallets, keys, even your secret snack stash. Cue folders and gear shift, still exactly where you expect them. Toyota simply shifted things around to make it more usable without sacrificing comfort or function. Even the center armrest gets an upgrade, with a dual-hinged lid that opens from either side. No more awkward elbow battles, both the driver and front passenger can easily reach in. A subtle change, sure, but a brilliant one for everyday convenience. Digital domination. Tech lovers, rejoice! Every 2026 RAV4 now comes with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Seriously, from the outdated analog gauges of the past. Expect turn-by-turn navigation directly in your line of sight, and customizable layouts that reflect each trim's personality. Pair that with an all-new infotainment interface that's fast, fluid, and actually intuitive. Lower trims like the LE and Woodland get a generous 10.5-inch touchscreen, while premium models like the XSE and GR Sport are treated to a huge 12.9-inch display. And yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard. Performance gets serious. Now for the spicy bit, meet the RAV4 GR Sport, Toyota's first real shot at performance SUV territory. It's got the looks: 20-inch wheels, an aggressive stance, a massive spoiler, and it's got the muscle too. A 320 horsepower plug-in hybrid setup, tuned by Toyota's motorsport division, Gazoo Racing. With stiffer suspension, stickier tires, and sharper handling, this is a RAV4 that wants to dance. No, it's not a hot hatch, but it just might be the most exciting version of this SUV ever built. Think about this for a second. We're talking about a RAV4 that can outrun many so-called performance vehicles on the road today. This isn't your typical family hauler anymore. This is a statement vehicle that combines practicality with genuine performance credentials. Powertrain evolution. Toyota is fully committed to hybrid and PHEV power, and the numbers speak for themselves. The plug-in hybrid RAV4 boasts up to 839 miles of total range in Japanese test cycles, with an electric-only range of up to 93 miles, real-world EPA numbers for the US. will likely be closer to 50 miles of EV driving, but that's still a significant step forward. Towing capacity is up to from 2,500 to 3,500 pounds. And yes, DC fast charging is finally on the menu, juicing the battery from 10 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Bottom line, Toyota's plug-in powertrain isn't just green, it's practical. The RAV4 isn't just a bestseller in the US, it's a global juggernaut. With over 15 million units sold across 180 countries, it stands just behind the Toyota Corolla in global popularity. And now, with this 6th generation redesign, Toyota is setting its sights even higher. No more compromises between efficiency, tech, and style. Whether you're heading off the beaten path, zipping through the city, or simply chasing your next commute, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 is built to move with purpose, like what you see. There's even more under the hood, literally and figuratively. Tap the link on screen or in the description to discover how this RAV4 connects with Toyota's broader electrified vision and why understanding that might just change how you see the future of driving. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives, and hey, hit that like button if Toyota finally did the RAV4 justice. Visit www.eve-riders.com for more review and auto news.